Hello, friends. I am going to do something I don't do a whole lot, which is an unboxing video. I when I got back from my dad's funeral, this was waiting for me, and I was like, and it's made out to my business, and I was like, who's sending who's who's sending me a package? Because I had no recollection. And then I remembered, um, and it's from Canada. I was like, I mean, I know more than a few Canadians. Um, and then I remembered that sometime early in the spring, um, a deck creator had gotten a hold of me and um, asked if you could send me a deck to talk about and review. And I um had completely forgotten about that. And then life became, lifing. And so now I'm finally getting around to unboxing this. And it looks like I have already torn the letter inside accidentally. I'm apparently too forceful. Um, but I definitely feel a deck in here. I like squished it a bit in my hands before, like, and I was like, oh, that's what this probably is. Um, uh, Delightful. Yes, so this um is a new deck by Ted Wallace, and it looks like it is just major arcana. And aw, I won't. I like the how delightful. So I will take a look at these and the book and let y'all know what I think in a bit. Here's me. Have a beautiful day.